So ivattu we will be starting a new topic, and today's topic, it is called numbers in figures. Numbers in figures and their relationships. Okay, so this is the topic. Illi figure andre, it's any shape. Okay, it can be a circle or a square. Itara square alli suppose 9 sections irutte. Okay, and numbers. In this, some numbers will be given. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, question mark, 5, 6, 7, 8. ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So question mark place early. What number should you give? That is, question will be like that. Now you tell me. Illi what is question mark place early? Oh, sorry, 1 minute. 4. Just a minute. 7, 8, 9. Yeah. So ivaga question mark place alli which number should I put?
5.
Simple. ಆ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ questions. ಅಂದ್ರೆ inside a square some numbers will be given. One place alli question mark irutte. Based on the relationship, andre ಈ numbers alli whatever is the relationship, you should first understand that, and based on that ಈ question mark place alli ಏನ್ number ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು you should find it out. Okay, so even for the circle, same thing. For circle ge suppose question alli you will have 3 circles like this, 1, 2, 3, and 4 numbers will be given. Suppose 1, 1, 1, 1, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2,
8,
3, 3, 3, 3, question mark. So question mark place alli in barutte 12. Why? Because it is so 12 andre how did we get 12? It is, you're adding all the numbers outside circle. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 12. So idu add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ how do we know? By looking at these two circles. ಈ two circles ನೋಡಿ try to understand what the relationship is. So illi what is the relation? You're adding numbers outside. Outside circle whatever numbers are there ಅದೆಲ್ಲ add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. So you're writing 4 inside the circle. Same thing here, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 8. So the relation, add all the numbers outside the circle, you're writing the same number inside. Okay, so ee tara irutte. Relation can be anything, different types of relation irutte, but question pattern will be like this. Okay, so question pattern ee tara, you will have 3 circles, 2 circles all numbers irutte, third one circle alli question mark irutte. You should find out what is the question mark number. Artha aita? Did everyone understand the question pattern?
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll solve some example problems, then you can understand. Okay, so options are option A 4, option B 11, option C 15, option D 17, option E 18. So first of all, idu ಈ ತರ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಸಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕಲ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಸಮ್. What is 9? 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 9. 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 9. What is the answer? Four plus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 plus 12
33.
24.
33.
Yes, 24 plus 9, 33. Okay, so idu sum aitu. We'll find the next sum. 4 plus 7 plus 4 plus 6. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21.
21.
Yes. Next sum we'll do. 18 plus 9 plus 5 plus 13. 18 plus 9, 27.
40,
27
45.
32. 32 plus 13 is, yes, 45. So ivaga try to find the relation between, ivaga sum is 33. Okay, for this circle sum is 21, this circle sum is 45. So ivaga try to find out if there is any relation between this number and the number inside the circle. Relation ide, just look at the number. Ivaga don't see this circle. Okay, because ee circle alli question mark ide andre you should find out the number in that circle. So ನೀವು relation from which circles you should find out? From the first two, because ಈ two circles alli all the numbers are filled. You should try to get the relation from these two circles only. Okay, so ivaga sum we got, sum of outside numbers we got. Here it is 33, illi it is 21. Inside numbers we have, here it is 11, here it is 7. Find out relation between these two numbers. Okay, so if we know that relation, we can find out what comes here. There is a relation. Nodi, just check madi. Here it is 11, here it is 33. Here it is 7, here it is
11 3 is 33.
yes. And here
7
7 3 is 21.
correct. So illi enagtide sum na we should divide the sum by 3. 33 by 3 11. 21 by 3 7. So now you tell me ee question mark place alli en barutte?
15.
45 divided by 3. Correct? Yes. What is 45 divided by 3?
Ma'am, 15.
15.
15.
So option C is the correct answer. So here it is 15. Artha, did everyone understand how to solve it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first step is find out sum of outside numbers of all the circles. Okay. Then find out the relation between the sum and inside number. Okay, we'll do the next question.
ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಗಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬಟ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸೇ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ. ನೋಡೋಣ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರೇನೋ. ಬೇಗ ಮೇಡಮ್
ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರೈ. Okay, so these are the options. Okay, so what is the first step?
Ma'am, addition.
Addition, correct. So we'll find out the addition. 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9.
Ma'am, 27.
27. Okay. Next. 31 plus 18 plus 34 plus 42.
Ma'am, 125.
125. Next. 48 plus 57 plus 64 plus 49.
Ma'am, 211.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, it is not 211. 21 correct, but it is not 211. Check ಮಾಡಿ, check it again.
218.
218 correct. Okay. So now try ಮಾಡಿ this. Okay, I can give you a hint. It is related to squares of numbers or cubes of numbers. Try ಮಾಡಿ. So we got the sum now. Here it is 27, 125, 218. So find out relation between these numbers, and then question mark alli ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, we'll find that out.
7.
Okay, 1 minute. I think the question ಏನಾದ್ರೂ wrong ಇದೆ, I think. Actually, it is a cube. Now, what is 3 cube?
27.
3 cube is 27. What is 5 cube?
125.
So what is it? Relation ಏನು? Cube of number. Correct? ಅಂದ್ರೆ cube root ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? What is square root? Anyone? Do you know what is square root?
5.
Now, 2 square is 4. Correct? So what is square root of 4? It is 2. ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Do you know this?
Yes, ma'am.
So similarly cube root ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Now, wait, I'll tell you. 3 cube is 27. So what is cube root of 27? It is 3. Correct? This is called cube root. So relation ಏನು? Outside sum, you should do cube root. Cube root of 27 is 3. Cube root of 125 is 5. Why? Because what is 5 cube?
125.
5 cube is 1. Yes, 5 cube andre 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5, 125. So cube root of 125 is 5. Okay. So relation ಏನು? Sum, you should do the cube root of sum, then you will get the number inside the circle. Okay, idu I think idu question alli some number is given wrong, because what is 6 cube? Tell me, what is 6 cube?
216.
What is it? Can you repeat?
216.
216, correct. So I think idu question alli something must be wrong. Okay, we'll make this 55. Idu 57 alla. We'll make it 55. Okay, maybe question only wrong printing. So now what is this sum? Check the sum. 48 plus 55 plus 64 plus 49. What is the answer?
Ma'am, 216.
216. So now tell me which is the correct answer.
Ma'am, 6.
6, correct. 6 is the correct. Artha aita, did everyone get it? Why it is 6? Because cube root of 216. Cube root of 2 and 6 is 6. So inside circle, 6 is the answer. Okay, that's everyone. That's why you should remember squares of numbers and cubes of numbers. Okay, we'll do the next one. ಇದು ನೀವೇ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ, okay, this is the question. Options are option A 8, option B 9, option C 10, option D 11 and option E 12. So idu neeve try ಮಾಡಿ. You it is simple. So you can try it out. First, one by one sum. You sum, do the outside numbers sum and tell me the sum. What is the sum for first circle?
25.
Okay, 25. Sum for second circle?
49.
Okay. Sum for third circle?
81.
81. Okay. So now what is the final answer?
Ma'am, 9 answer.
Yes, 9 is the answer. Can you also tell how? How 9?
Ma'am, square numbers.
Squares of numbers. Correct. 25 is what? 5 square. 25 is 5 square. 49 is 7 square. So 81 is
9 square.
9 square.
yes. So same E number, the E number circle inside you should get. So 7, 7, 9. So circle inside 9 barutte. Correct. 9 is the correct answer. Okay. So now we'll do one square question. Circle artha aita everyone how to do it? So what is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
circles idre first step ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
Addition.
Addition of which numbers?
Ma'am, outside numbers.
Yes, outside the circle whatever numbers are there adu addition ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, and then find the relation between inside number and sum of outside numbers. Okay, so we'll do one question on squares now. Square now. Okay, so okay, I'll give the options. So an option A 2, option B 4, option C 6. Okay, this is the question. So itara square question, when you have square questions, do you know what is column and row? Row and column andre eno gotta? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, these are rows. Row 1, row 2, row 3. Correct? And these are columns. Column 1, column 2, column 3. Okay, idartha aita. What is row? Row andre this side. This is row. Row 1, row 2, row 3. Vertical
Yes,
like
ma'am.
column. 3 columns and 3 rows. So in square questions, first step ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ find out sum of numbers in row and column. Okay, first step. Most of the time sum related irutte. So find out sum of numbers in row and column. We will start with row. First row alli question mark ide, so leave that because we should find that out. Second row, what are the numbers in second row?
6, 8, 11.
6, 8, 11. What is the sum? 6 plus 8 plus 11. What is it?
25.
Okay, correct. Now, what are the numbers in third row? Third row.
25.
No.
25.
Okay, numbers. What are the numbers? First, tell me the numbers.
12,
12.
9, 4.
Yes, 12 plus 9 plus 4 is 25, which is correct. Now we will do for columns. Okay. What first column? What are the numbers?
7.
Okay. First column only. What are the numbers?
Ma'am,
7,
8.
6, 12.
Yes, 7, 6, 12. 7 plus 6 plus 12. What is it?
25.
25.
Okay. Second column only there is a question mark, so leave it because we should find that out. Third column, what are the numbers?
10,
11. 4.
Yes, 10 plus 11 plus 4. What is the sum?
25.
Yes. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ relation ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Everywhere we are getting 25. So what is the relation? Sum of all numbers in row and column should be equal to 25. Correct? No, any row you can select, any column you select, sum of all the numbers must be 25. Okay, so now we'll find out what is the answer. First row alli nodi, first row andre we have 7 question mark and 10. So two numbers ide. What is the sum of these two numbers?
17.
17. So 17 plus what is equal to 25? Because sum 25 irbeku. So what is the answer?
8.
Correct. 8 is the answer. Okay, because 7 plus 8 plus 10. 8 is the answer. So 7 plus 8 plus 10 is 25, which is
25.
correct. Yes, 25. So ಇವಾಗ ಕಾಲಮ್ you can just verify ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅದು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ you can add column. So what are the second column elements now? 8, 8 and 9. What is 8
Plus 9 is equal to 25.
Okay, correct. 25. So the answer is correct. What is it? It is option D, 8. Artha Aitha, did everyone understand how to do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So simple. Square questions only. What is it? What is the first step?
Ma'am, addition.
Yes, addition of numbers in row and column. So each row and each column, you should add all the numbers and then relation irutte. Some relation will definitely be there. Either ee tara all addition same numbers irutte, or if not, you might have some other relation too. Okay. So using that relation, question mark place alli en barutte, that you will have to find out. So idu artha aita. I hope it's clear, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So okay then. That's it for today. Just a minute.